Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Pruner with Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a ball of foot cushion to your foot whenever you do it yourself. So ball of foot cushions can come in 2 in a pack or individually. They can come in thick or regular size. The regular is a thinner profile. Sometimes it's easier to transition to a thinner one first and then go to a thicker one, depending on how much offloading that you need. But the point of these is not to put them on the ball of your foot, because when you typically have pain here, you don't want to increase the pressure by placing them directly on the foot. You want to put them right behind where you're having that pressure, because now that's going to offload the pain that you're having here, and the weight of your body will be distributed to the back to where you have less pain. Now, with that being said, the nice thing about these silicone ones is that they're reusable. They're not a single time use, just a little bit of soap and water, and these can go for a couple of months, if not up to 6 months. If you have any questions about how to apply any of these devices, you can give us a call at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, or if you're in the Dallas area, go ahead and schedule an appointment with us today and we can take care of all of your needs.